What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can use Suno AI. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you simply have to search for Suno AI and then go to this, obviously, suno.com, which is your Suno AI. Now here you will be able to generate music by typing in a command. Suppose you want to create a retro music, so I'm just going to tell him to create a retro music and then simply add something whatever you want with the rainy theme. So I'm just making it like that. I don't know if I'm doing it correct, and then just click on this create song. And there you go. It will want you to log into your account. So I'm just going to continue with my Google, and it will just quickly create a quick account for me. Once my account is ready to use, it will start working on my command or my prompt, whichever I have gave it before. Now I'm just going to click on this create. It will take some time and then it will create a music for me, which I can use on the YouTube as well. However, in order to use this music on YouTube, you just have to give the credits that this music was generated by Suno AI in the description if you're using a free version. If you're using a paid version, you'll be able to use it without any problem. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.